In this video, I will show you how to return your Amazon items without having a printer at home. So let's get started. Step number 1. Go to Amazon.com or your country's Amazon's website, and then hover your mouse in here and then select your orders. Scroll down until you find your order. This is the order that I want to return. So all you need to do is to click on return items. Make sure you have selected the right item. Then asks you why you're returning this. Then select here and select the reason why you're returning. For this item, the reason for me was incompatible or not useful for intended purpose. But as you can see, there are a lot of other options that you can select. So I select this, and here it gives an optional details. For me, I could give so that it would help the seller. In my case, the reason was because USB output voltage was too low, and here it gives a date by which you can return. So I don't have many days left. Today is 25th and I have to return by 28th. So continue. Then you get two options, whether you want the refund to go back to your Amazon account or to go to your MasterCard. I will go with the default because I use Amazon very often. And then you have to select, yes, please issue my refund on my Amazon account. Obviously, you could select the MasterCard or credit card or any other payments that you used. Then continue. Here are the options that we got to return this item, and all of them are free. So if you don't have printer, don't worry, you could use Hermes drop off print in store. So this is what I'm gonna show you in this video. Just select Hermes drop off, make sure it is print in store, and then click on confirm your return. And now Amazon has sent you an email with a QR code. Obviously you could click on here to view the QR. So this is a QR, and if you return to this page and click on nearest Hermes parcel shop, click on here. In here, make sure print in store is selected, and then simply enter your postcode in here and click on search, and then it finds you all the stores that have got print in store available. Simply we need to now pack our item and drive to this store, which is just 0.6 miles away from our postcode, and it says till what time it's open. This is the item that I'm trying to return. It's just an extension code. If you have got the original packaging, make sure that you pack it properly to its original bag and as well as the box. Then if you got a box, put this item into that box. If you have got airbags, put some of them around it so that it will be secure and wouldn't move when it's in transit. If the box has got some stickers, please remove the stickers to avoid any confusions. Use a tape and secure the box properly so that it wouldn't come out in the transit. Now we are fully packed and ready to go. Before leaving home, make sure you got the QR code in your email. Also, you could zoom in on the QR code to make sure it would be scanned without any problems. When you reach the shop, you should find a machine which says Hermes or the company that you have selected. Simply go to that machine, then select return a parcel option. Then select yes, I have a QR code. The first time I tried to scan, it didn't work well. So to make it easier for it to recognize, bring up your phone's brightness to maximum. And now let's scan the QR again. Now simply stick the label to the top of your box. Then move to the shopkeeper. Then the shopkeeper would scan the code on our label and then he will ask you for your name. Then simply he will ask you to put it next to the other boxes that are returning, and he will give you a receipt as a proof of your return. So we got our receipt, we have returned our item, and we are good to go.
Sorry.
No problem, thank you. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.